Brandon, what is that?
Gator wrap, man.
Gator.
Fried gator wrap, man.
Welcome to Florida.
Welcome to Florida.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. There is rain in the forecast, but you know what? We're going to try and get out, eat an early lunch, and then head back before the rain pops up. But that might not be the case. We might get caught in it. That's all right. We'll figure it out. So today we're going to go to a small place in Everglades City called Camellia's, and just gonna have a little lunch, hang out. It's right by the ocean there, and then we're gonna come back. About an hour and 40-minute ride, not too long. But we'll talk more about it when I come back. See you in a bit. Welcome back. So we're going to take US 27 to Chrome Avenue to Tamiami Trail, and we're going to head west. Now the place we're going to is not too far from Naples, probably maybe half-hour difference or less. But Camellia's is right there. It's actually on the river that leads out to the ocean. Very small place, quaint. And we're going to stop at the corner store over there on Chrome Avenue and 8th Street, and then we'll head out. Lots of bikes, obviously, on a Sunday on the road. Before I continue, we're going to do something a little fun on this channel. We're going to do some giveaways, you know, a few t-shirts. But yeah, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to play scavenger hunt. So the way scavenger hunt is going to work is like this. I'm going to post a picture of a place that I've been to. Now, I can't give you too many hints on that picture. And then, if you want a free t-shirt, you got to go to this place, if you know what it is, take a picture right where I took it, send it to my Instagram, and then first one to do that gets a free t-shirt. Let's have a little fun with it, shall we, folks? So this is the corner store on 8th Street in Chrome. Alright, so we picked up my brother-in-law. Good to go. We spent a little time there. Bumped into one of the Vic-Class guys. And we're on the way now, so we're headed west on Tamiami Trail, Southwest 8th Street, to Camellia's Street Grill, it's called. Shark Valley, right here. Right here. Left turn, that'll take you to Shark Valley. Shark Valley is part of the Everglades National Park. If you haven't been there, it's a cool visit. Gotta know what you're doing in there, where you're going. So I would definitely stop by the visitor center if you go. And get some advice on where you can see some interesting wildlife. We're gonna make a quick stop at the Skunk Ape headquarters. It's a really cool place, little store with all kinds of natural gifts. You'll see what I mean when we get there. Intriguing little store. And there's a campground behind it also, so winter time, good place to camp. Tons of mosquitoes in that area though, and I mean tons. 11 miles down the road is the Big Cypress Visitor Center. It's a cool place. It has a few trails back there. The park rangers are sometimes there and you can ask them a lot of questions. You can also ask there at the visitor center places to go here and things to see. This, folks, is Skunk Ape headquarters. Look at this dude. Skunk Ape headquarters. Panther paws. Yes, you can rent canoes here. And yes, it's starting to rain. Stickers.
They don't do cold weather very well. Here's the thing, it was a mom and pop's place, so they didn't mass produce them like other people do. We are now getting them from skin shop. They're not as good, but they're not that bad either.
Right.
All right.
The eyes look pretty cool. Can I see one of those? Those look nice.
Makes a good.
What'd you see back there?
Sure. Wood whittling and stuff. Now the other ones I was showing you, these are skins. These are meant to skin out like a buck or a.
Oh, Skunk Ape, look at them. Look at
or even a
that.
small
Dude,
game.
that's the Skunk Ape, man. These are 3D postcards. That's pretty
You
cool.
only get one or two of them and let me look at them before we actually buy more. So you want to go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ice cream. Some drinks.
Piña.
Another piña.
Is the blade
cool.
is welded to the handle, but it's done while forging it.
All right, 10 more minutes. And we're there. Truth be told, we were going to try to get here at 11 when the place opened, but why rush? Well, I do have one good reason that we should rush. Rain! If you haven't seen our camping video when we came back here, I'm going to put that link up so you can check that out. It's probably one of the worst camping experiences I've ever had back here. Burden Road, or Bird On Road, is another loop that you can take, but that one is paved. And you may be able to see some wildlife back there. We just passed it, it's on the right side. Loop Road on the left side a few miles before, and Burden Road on the, or Bird On Road on the right side. See that? Well, that's a big downpour. You can feel the wind all the way over here. Out open. Says they're closed. Well, we got a bunch of restaurants here in this area. Let's look for another one. There's a bunch of restaurants in this area. So guess what, guys? Camellia Street Grill is closed. Don't know if that's for good or what. But we're not going to go to the same restaurants we've been to before. We're going to try something else. There is an island cafe down here. So we're going to try that out. And see how that is. Pizza, Gator. And I don't know what else. So we're just coming outside. We came out on the street, on the main street here. And now we're gonna try and eat here. We'll see how the food is, but sometimes it happens, man. Let's see what happens. Or house. It says or house. It's a little close to whorehouse. But let's go in here. Oh, here we go.
Anything to drink?
Water with lemon if you have. Thank you. So this is called the Island Cafe. And this is option 2. Small little cafe. There's a bunch of places around here to eat. But we're hungry already, man. We gotta get to eating. This guy just wanted an air conditioning. Better let Joey know.
Yeah, Joey. It's closed, man.
Joey, like your brother?
Joey, one of the other techs Brandon works with. Joey.
Oh,
It's a no-go for Camellia Street Grill. You better check to see if they close down for good.
Yeah, but there's 2,000 stores. Publix.
This little place, the clam chowder on it in here is like fresh. It's not Cheney Brothers. It's very fresh. And no, seriously. And it tastes like really good. See that? No, this one. This is steak.
No, crab cake.
Yes, it is.
You had crab cake Reuben.
Oh,
Crab cake basket.
There.
Crab cake
Thank
Reuben.
you. You're welcome.
Brandon, what is that?
Gator wrap, man.
Fried gator wrap, man.
In Florida.
Welcome to Florida. Mangiare.
large soup
So truth be told, we were going to go to Fort Myers Beach today, but the weather was no good. So we opted to come over here to this place on the suggestion of somebody, and the place was closed. I mean, I checked it yesterday. It's supposed to be open, hours and whatnot. It's supposed to be open. Don't know if they changed the hours or if they did something, but anywho, they were closed and didn't happen. We ended up at this little cafe. Just so you know, most of the things here are, you know, like fried foods and stuff. But you know, all home cooked stuff. The key lime pie, we didn't try it. They have a fried key lime pie. It looks and it smells, because you can tell they're cooking it there. They're making it there, baking it. it smells absolutely magnificent. So you guys can check that little cafe out, Island Cafe. It's right off the road here. This is the CR29, and when you're coming on Tamiami Trail, you're just coming straight. It's basically the first light that you'll run into, and you just make a left and just keep going down the road. And there's a few restaurants in this area. If you keep going all the way down, there's a few other restaurants. That Havana Cafe, I believe it was, that we came to last time, is over there. The Diving Pelican is also over there. I did like a highlight video on that one. But anyway, there's a few restaurants, and there's some other restaurants in the area. There's some seafood restaurants around here that are, you know, a few minutes away or whatnot. But down this road here, the CR29, there are quite a few places to go to. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, click that like, share. Don't forget to subscribe, man. If you like it, or if you half like it even, subscribe. Click that bell, get notified of when we release new content, which is hopefully once a week at least. Maybe sometimes twice a week. I doubt it, but maybe sometimes twice a week. But anywho, like, share, subscribe. Glad you guys could join us today for this little ride. Love you guys to death. Stay safe on the road. See y'all real soon. Peace.